Honor Play 4T, Honor Play 4T Pro Pre-Booking Listings Tip Design, Key Features. Honor Play 4T and Honor Play 4T Pro are set to be launched by Huawei's sub-brand Honor on April 9. Now, ahead of next week's launch, both upcoming Honor phones have been found listed for pre-bookings on 2 Chinese retailers. The listings include the images of the Honor Play 4T and Honor Play 4T Pro that hint at the color options of the 2 phones and reveal their design. Earlier, Honor Play 4T was allegedly spotted on Chinese regulator Tenna's website that has indicated the phone's specifications. The Honor Play 4T Pro in 3 colors, black, green, and a close to light blue shade. The listings on both e-retailers further indicate that while the Honor Play 4T Pro might have an in-display fingerprint sensor, the Honor Play 4T will come with a fingerprint sensor on the back. The listings also suggest that both the Honor Play 4T smartphones might come with a triple camera setup on the back. Apart from that, the Honor Play 4T Pro will have a water drop style notch, whereas the Honor Play 4T will come with a hole punch camera, as per images present on the listing. As per the recently spotted Tenna listing for Honor Play 4T, the phone will come with a 6.3-inch, 1,080 x 2,400 pixels OLED panel. It will be powered by an octa-core processor and come with 2 RAM options, 6GB and 8GB. Further, the triple camera on the Honor Play 4T will consist of a 48-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel secondary camera, and a 2-megapixel shooter. Honor Play 4T will also include a 3,900 mAh battery. There is not much known about the Honor Play 4T Pro as of now. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.